Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm going to show you how to search and redeem your Hot Summer Nights hotel offers. On your app's homepage, click on Hotels Worldwide and browse through the list of participating regions and countries. When you click on a country, you'll see the All Offers list. That's all the hotels available in the Entertainer Travel. Now, to see the ones that are participating in Hot Summer Nights, click on the Monthly tab just next to All Offers. You'll be able to tell if a hotel is part of Hot Summer Nights when you see the orange trophy icon on their offer screen. If you need more information on any hotel, click on it and swipe to the Details screen to see its description, facilities, location map, and TripAdvisor reviews. If you're ready to make a booking, you can simply tap on the phone icon right here and call the hotel directly from your app. Make sure to let the hotel know that you would like to use your Entertainer Hot Summer Nights offer so that they can check the availability for your travel dates. You can also submit a booking request form directly from your app. Tap on the email icon and your details will load automatically. So all you need to do is enter your travel dates, room type, and hit submit. Your request form will be emailed directly to the hotel reservations, who will get in touch with you to answer your query and finalize your booking. So once you're booked, there's just one more step to go: redemption. You'll need to redeem your offer when you arrive at the hotel check-in. Here's how you do it. Select the hotel on your app and choose from the 1 night, 2 nights, or 3 nights free offers. Hit redeem and enter your 4-digit personal PIN. Then pass your phone to the hotel reception to enter their hotel PIN. They will note the reference number and your redemption is complete. Make sure you share your savings screen via social media and leave a review for the hotel on TripAdvisor.